Fun fact, actually, whenever I was out training with my trainer, my first week out, we got stuck in a blizzard around, where were we? We were around Albuquerque, New Mexico on Interstate 40, and it was shut down. We were there for, I think, about 24 hours on the interstate shut down in a snowstorm. So I've driven in the snow a little bit. I was driving that day, and then also around to the Chicago area, it was snowing one day, and it didn't shut the road down. We just drove through that day. But so I've driven in the snow a little bit, and I'm good for the year.